Welcome to the Instagram Domination Masterclass, where you will learn how to take your Instagram to the next level for your dropshipping business with Spocket. Increase your sales by driving free organic traffic to your online store. My name is Sophie, and I'm a social media consultant and marketing specialist, and I'll be leading you through the course. Do you want the number of followers on your Instagram account to reach into the thousands and tens of thousands? Have you been on Instagram for a while now, but your posts just aren't getting the engagement that you hoped for? Well, this is the course for you. In this course, we're going to look at how you can go about setting up your Instagram profile for your e-commerce business. You'll learn the type of content that you should be posting and what to say in your posts to turn those Instagram followers into dedicated fans of your brand who are ready to purchase from you time and time again. As an entrepreneur, you need to build a relationship with your potential customer. You need to build trust before they buy from you, and that is where Instagram comes in. Here's what you're going to learn inside the course. A little bit about me. I'm an Oxford University graduate with many years of experience in marketing and social media. I previously worked in marketing for the BBC, as well as consulting a number of smaller businesses and personal accounts on Instagram. On my own Instagram account, I have amassed over 10,000 followers in just the last 6 months, and I'm going to be using my account as a case study and taking you through step by step to how I got that success on Instagram and show you how you can get there too. I want it to be as if this were a private social media consultant meeting and it's just me and you. I'm a very hands-on tutor and I'm going to be with you every step of the way through your Instagram journey. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. With all my experience in social media, I know what works. I know the strategies that will get your content out there and reaching the right kind of people. What this course is not about is fake followers. This is not a shortcut to a huge number of followers that mean absolutely nothing. I'm not going to lie to you and say I can get you hundreds of thousands of followers in 1 month, because unless you're cheating or you're a well-known personal celebrity, that isn't going to happen. But I can show you how in time you can get thousands of real dedicated Instagram followers that will totally transform your account on Instagram. Instagram is an amazing platform with tens of millions of users on there every single day. Ever since I've harnessed the power of Instagram, I've been getting clients and opportunities directly through the app itself. Whether you have a personal account or a business account on Instagram, it is an amazing opportunity for anyone. So don't delay, enroll right now and take the first step towards Instagram domination.